Morning! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be that video that I've been putting off for a long time now, and it's about time for me to do this video because also my uni starts next week, and I just really need to do this because there are a lot of things here that I don't use anymore, and I just kind of keep buying stuff that I don't really need, and I thought I'll do this video so I could also do a giveaway for you guys. And for me, compared to the other YouTubers, I think my collection is very small, but for a person like me who just, you know, I'm doing like very simple makeup look, I think this is too much, and yeah, that's why I want to make this a video. And I hope that you find it inspiring, or I don't know, motivating to clean out or clear out or declutter. And if you enjoy it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I make fashion, beauty, lifestyle related videos, and let's get started. So this is my makeup vanity. This is where I keep most of my makeup, and I also have the drawers at the bottom, some paper bags and more package, and I also have this bag where I keep all my everyday makeup and some more stuff over here. I think this is like the mini size version that I use for overnight or traveling or night out and whatnot. So this is going to be the bin bag, and this is going to be the giveaway bag. And also I'm also gonna sort out my everyday makeup. Alright, so as you can tell, I have enormous amount of foundation. I've emptied all the drawers, and look how much stuff I don't need always, you guys. And yeah, I can't just wait. It's overwhelming. Alright, so these are the things that I'll be keeping. I have the Marc Jacobs Remarkable, 2 of the Estee Lauder Double Wear, 1 Maybelline Dewy Smooth Formula, NARS Sheer Glow, which is going to my everyday makeup bag. I have the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte finish, the MAC Studio Fix Fluid, which is actually empty. I'm just keeping it to, you know, like if you collect like 6 items from empty items from MAC, then you can like swap it to a brand new lipstick. And oh my goodness, this one I ordered it ages ago and I haven't even opened it. I ordered this from Sephora. It's actually a makeup brush set from Zoeva. So this is my everyday makeup bag. So these are the things that I'm going to give it away to one of you guys, and I'm also throwing in a backpack from Cotton On. It's so cute. Just make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and comment on the comment section why you want to win the giveaway. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's Jessa Kowitz, and I'm gonna be posting a photo of the giveaway, and make sure to follow me. And yeah, so these are the things that I'm gonna be giving away for family and friends. So I have variety of liquid lipstick and like lipstick in a tube. I also have like it's like a palette, lip and cheek palette. I have eyeshadow palettes. If you remember this is really good, but I have the Modern Renaissance, so it's a dupe for the Modern Renaissance. I also have the CoverGirl eyeshadow palette, blushes, bronzers, highlighters, loose powders, corrector. How do you call this? It's a cream contour, some foundation, compact powder, liquid lipstick, eyebrow product, eyeshadow base, mascara, BB cream, liquid liners, and like colorful eyeliner, and some more, what do you call this? It's like eyeshadow base, like shimmery version, and also a primer and eyebrow product. Eyebrow product should be here. Alright. So that's all that I'm giving away, and in this pile is going to the bin because they are old or shattered. So again, this is my makeup vanity, and I'm so proud of it because I don't have much stuff anymore. I'm gonna open this first. So these are my palettes. Call this fake lashes, and this is what I have left. So here are my loose powders, pressed powders, bronzers, contour, eyebrow product, liquid liner, and just a liner, a basic liner. I have blushes, my highlighters, my mascara, my shimmery eyeshadow base, my liquid lipstick, my lip balms, my lipsticks, and liquid lipsticks. Here are my face primers, eyeshadow primer, foundation, liquid highlighter, and here I decided to keep the Tartelette eyeshadow. I have a brand new lipstick actually. I might just give this away. Put it in my, where do I put that? Here. So that is that, and I'm so happy. And I just found my Jaclyn palette, the Jaclyn Hill palette, and the Morphe 350. So I'm not planning to buy any more eyeshadow palettes because I have enough. And oh my gosh, I'm finally finished, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. And also don't forget to enter the giveaway. Follow me on Instagram, and leave me a comment down the comment below if you want to enter the giveaway. And yeah, I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!